Welcome to this video resource to help you practice the mindfulness strategies shared in the Wellness Begins With Me workshop.
Keep watching to practice the half sun salutation. 3 collective breaths and the guided meditation are covered in other videos.
We hope these strategies will help you create wellness in your personal and professional lives.
Hi. Mindful movement is one component of wellness, and movement breaks can help us reconnect with ourselves. To complete the half sun salutation, stand or remain seated. Stand with feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides, palms facing forward. Inhale, raise your arms over your head. Exhale, lower your arms and fold forward at the hips, bringing your hands to the floor, your feet or shins. Inhale, lift so that your back is parallel to the floor and your hands are on your shins. Exhale, fold forward, hands toward the floor. Inhale, slowly rise to standing with arms overhead. Exhale, lower your arms to your side. Repeat as many times and as often as desired.
Thank you for practicing the half sun salutation. Check out the other videos to practice the 3 collective breaths and guided meditation.